In this lecture, we are going to grab the animator component. We performed a similar task when animating the treasure chest. Previously, we created a variable for caching the animator component in the treasure chest file. The variable was set by dragging and dropping the game object onto the field from the Unity editor. We had to do this because the animator component was not placed on the same game object as this component. Instead, the animator component was found on a child game object. This solution was one way of tackling the problem. There's another way of selecting a component from a child object. Let's explore that solution. In your editor, open the movement component. This component is responsible for moving an agent. While they're moving, the speed parameter from the controller should be updated. Before we can do so, we must select it. At the top of the class, define a variable called animator component with the animator class as the type. Next, in the awake method, set the animator component variable to the getComponentInChildrenAnimator method. The getComponentInChildren method searches for a component from within child objects of the current game object. This solution can be viable when you need to select a component programmatically. Other than that, the result is the same. I'm demonstrating a different solution in case you need it. We could have gone with the other solution. It would have been just as effective. In the next lecture, let's start detecting when the agent is moving or not moving.